There is one disclaimer that I need to make, that it is specifically written on this product that it should not be used on. Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So I have come with another interesting video for all of you, and that is the review of the face washes I have been using these days. And the interesting fact about these products are that one of them is a classic brand and the another one is something which have come in recent years but have already reached 2 million of our hearts. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. The first product in itself I don't think does not need introduction. It is on the affordable side, organic side, from the trusted brand, and something which many of us, no matter where we come from, has used most of our lives, and the product is Himalaya Neem Face Wash. Why have I said that most of us have used this product? And the reason is it is available everywhere. I have been to travel to many places, and what I have noticed, it is available in remote areas as well, and that too in varied sizes. You get it in this size this small, and you can get in the bottle that big. That also makes it very customer friendly. These are the few things why I believe that everyone should try this product in their lifetime, and I haven't heard anyone having a reaction to it because it is a very basic product. And I believe even if you buy luxury product, high-end product, you always should have a basic in your wardrobe, in your closet, just in a case if something goes wrong. You can always switch back to these products and you can always use it for a travel. Another thing is, because it is available in most of the places in varied size, it is also apt for the people whose skin does not get easily adapt to new product. So this can be a go-to product. Why am I using this product these days? Because we have switched from summer, spring to monsoon, and this product works perfectly fine for my dry skin and all these seasons. Because in summer you feel very sweaty, then if you use it, it will leave your face cleansed, nothing too overwhelming, nothing too extra. In monsoon as well, we have a lot of humidity and you need to cleanse your face regular basis, so you want to try something which is not going to stripe your skin of excess moisture. The another thing is that when I read reviews, many people complain that they feel that their skin is dry after using this product. But guys, I have a very dry skin, which I have told you many times, so I never face this problem. You may want to try this product, and we can always add a little bit of moisturizer from top. So you can see I'm really vouching for this product, and this video is not sponsored as well. There are some few stuffs that needs to be discussed, because when we buy product we often go to see such details. So I will be here giving you the whole details about it. So we are going back to the pack, and the pack says that it is a purifying neem face wash. Because I bought a pack of 2, it costed me 41 rupees. It saved me 41 rupees. It purifies the skin in all types, and this is 150 ml pack. It says that it is soap free, which is a big plus. Then it is a herbal formulation that we know. It removes gentle impurities, so it is good after a whole busy day. I used to use it when I was in school. I will come from the school and the first thing that I would use is this, and I will be good for the day. Then it says it prevents pimple. Even I have noticed my friends who had a acne pimple problem, they always use this product. Then it has 2 major ingredients. One is neem, another is turmeric. So what neem does, it has antibacterial property. Guys, these days we are facing a lot of skin problem which are related to bacterial infections, so you can always use it for this purpose as well. It kills problem causing bacteria, and turmeric efficiently controls acne and pimples. You can use it regularly for clear, soft and pimple free skin. Guys, I think there is no harm in using this product. There are many benefits that comes with it. It is readily available, and you can always trust the Himalaya brand. Now we need to move on to the second product, and the product is Just Herbs Lively Clean Honey Exfoliating Face Cleansing Gel for oily combination skin, and it is 100 ml pack. You can see it here. Guys, there is one thing you must be thinking, Shrishti, you have a dry skin, why are you using it? Okay, so my sister bought it and I didn't know that it is for oily or combination skin, and I used it. and it didn't dry my skin. In fact, I feel that my skin was more moisturized after using it. So I guess it is working on my skin because of the monsoon. We have a lot of humidity naturally available in our environment, so this was working perfectly well in the monsoon. I will talk about the other seasons when I'll be using it, so we'll keep that thing in our mind that it's for oily and combination skin. And if your skin is producing a lot of oil this season, then you can definitely use it. The another thing about this is Just Herbs, guys. Remember, I have done the Kimsuk Hadi oil review of the Just Herbs. If you haven't seen the video, the link is right here. So guys, the thing is that Just Herbs is a brand which is becoming favorite of many people, and of course I have used their product, and now that we have purchased, once again speaks a volume about it. This is again a organic brand. This brand again makes natural organic product. I cannot call it affordable, but it is not high end as well when it comes to the prices. Now I want to take you through the basics before giving you the overall view. So you can see this is again the plastic bottle, very basic. It has a pump to take out the product. About the pump, because this product has exfoliating granules in it, the pump does not work after 4-5 uses. I have read in reviews as well that many people complained that the pump does not work, so you have to open it from here and take out the product to use it. Now moving on, with details they have given on the products are that you are supposed to store it in cool dry place. This is an Ayurvedic medicine. It is for external use only, no animal byproduct. Avoid contact with eyes. Country of origin India, made in India. Okay, now they recycle it, they do not test it on animal, which is again a very plus. So they are following the ethical business practices as well, which also makes it my favorite. Now they have talked about that they have used certified organic product from the natural origin, which means they are from the renewable resources. They are protecting our environment. A big love to Just Herbs for that. Now they do not have parabens, no mineral oil. 98.2% of their products are natural. Now then they have 100 herbal activities. How we are supposed to use it? We are supposed to use it twice a week. Just scrub our skin for 3 to 4 minutes with our wet finger tips. Now about the ingredients, they have key ingredients and other ingredients, and the key ingredients are again tulsi, arjuna, orange peel, cold press jojoba seed meal. So guys, so this was about the details given on the pack. Now I'm going to go on a review. So I have already told you one thing, that even though it is written that is test for oily skin, I believe if your skin is producing more oil or if you have more humidity, you can definitely use it. Another thing, if you go out and you work in dirt or pollution, if your face feel tired after day, you feel there is a lot of dead skin on your face, then you can definitely use this face wash, because it has exfoliating granules. They are so minute that it's not going to scratch your skin. You won't even feel it, but your skin will definitely look refreshed. So if you work in pollution, dirt, I will vouch Just Herbs face wash more than Himalaya face wash. Another thing, it is safe to say that you can use it more than twice in a week. I have a dry skin and I use it more than twice, and it does not affect my skin. My skin is always glowing. It hasn't made my skin dull. So it is safe to say that you can use it more than twice a week. If you're not a fan of a typical scrub which is creamy and which has a very hard granules, then this will be a go-to natural, affordable, organic product which has a scrub as well, and you can use daily. And it also reduces your steps. So if you do cleansing, scrubbing, you can just join these two steps into one. Okay, so I have left one thing about the basic, is that when was it manufactured? It was manufactured in March 2020 and it will expire in March 2023. So it is good to use for 3 years, and the price is $545. So I guess it is not expensive for the value that they are giving, for the the quality that they are giving. There is one disclaimer that I need to make, that it is specifically written on this product that it should not be used on active acne. I have even experienced people, those who have a very prominent acne, they fear using scrub. So I'm not saying anything because I never face such issues, but the granules are so minute that if you love to use scrub, then you can definitely give a try to this product. To conclude this video, I'll say that both the products that I have reviewed today are on the top list of mine. These both are very good face washes. You can always choose as per your preference. I have given you all the points that I had, all the thoughts that I had. Now the choice is yours. And if you have any confusion, if you want to ask something, the comment box is always open. The DMs of my Instagram is always open, the link of which is down below in the description. So guys, it was very fun for me to make this video, and I hope it was fun for you to watch it. I was able to communicate the things I wanted to you properly, and if I didn't, please give me your honest review and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.